Hi, this is Mrs. Thompson, and this is my virtual back-to-school night for astronomy. I showed a brief video where you're going to see a tour of our classroom. I targeted towards our integrated science students. That's mostly my freshmen, which is the majority of them. But if you want to check out what the room looks like, you're welcome to do that with the video that I've provided. So this is a little bit about me. I attended Cornell University for my bachelor's degree. I attended the University of Arizona in Tucson for my master's of science, and my degrees are in entomology, the study of insects. So I've included a picture of a tiger beetle here because it is my favorite insect. And this is a picture of me at a large telescope in the Canary Islands in Spain. I was awarded a teacher travel grant to go to the Canary Islands and participate in an astronomy course where I was able to learn with a lot of other teachers from many other countries. And the Canary Islands is one of the best places in the Northern Hemisphere for ground-based telescopes due to their really low light pollution and high elevation. And I've been teaching for 6 years, so this is going to be my 7th. I know it says 5 here. Our course goals are to prepare students for a higher level of education and promote critical thinking, to develop student understanding of the vastness of the universe. It's really, really hard for humans to understand just how big space is and how much space is between things in space. And to help students gain an appreciation for the process of scientific investigation. We are going to be checking out the size and scale of the universe, the celestial sphere, Sun-Earth-Moon relationships, NASA explorations, star life cycles, and navigating the night sky. As an elective, I like to really see what my student interests are and let those guide where we go throughout the course. So our expectations is that we are responsible, empathetic, we really try to achieve our best, we collaborate and work together, and that we are honest with each other and ourselves. Grading in this course is 80% coursework, 20% participation. That coursework includes classwork, homework, projects, labs, etc. I try to do a lot of investigations and student-led projects for astronomy. My late work policy is very different than from typical years. So this year, all work that's from weeks 1 to 5 will be accepted for full credit until October 2nd, 2020. For week 6 work and on, late work is going to be accepted for up to 1 week after the due date. In addition, the maximum score on late work is going to be 75%. Homework. There isn't any, but we have lots of home learning. So I only see your child for 85 minutes a week for most students, and that means that there's lots of time that they spend working independently. So I just call it in-school learning and at-home learning. My contact information, should you need me, here's my email. This is my school phone number. And I don't really have office hours anymore. It's mostly just via email. For students and parents to contact me, you can feel free to use Infinite Campus. I'm trying really hard to make sure that I can get out a weekly grade report to students. And then Google Classroom has all of the tasks that are listed there. This is mostly for students. So the things that are graded are going to show up in Infinite Campus, but all tasks that students should complete in order to do the work that is graded is listed in Google Classroom. I look forward to learning with your children or your child, and I'm really excited about this year. I'm glad we get to be together. Take care.